How to log in Hulu account. So if you want to log into your Hulu account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for Hulu. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.hulu.com, or you can go for a login, which will directly take you to the login page. And now to log into your account, you can first enter your email address on the first blank. And once you've entered that, you can click on password box and then you can enter your password. But if you forgot your email or if you forgot your password, then you can have this forgot your email or password so that you can recover your account or you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And once you've entered your password, now if you simply click on login, then it will log you into your account. And after entering your password, you can simply click on login so that it will log you into your account on Hulu. So that's it. That's how you log into your account on Hulu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.